Hey, welcome to Cross Country Cooking. I'm Ben, and today I'm going to show you how I made this King Craw Cajun seasoned grilled salmon. So we'll take our salmon. First thing I like to do is see when I'm purchasing it, I'd see much of this tail is tucked underneath. They do that to make it look like it's all, the same size. So I'm going to trim this off here. You can save that if you like. And then we'll trim this here. Pull this out. I trim right along here. You can kind of see there's a seam there, because I want it all to be uniform. If I cut it here, about 4 fingers wide, yeah, so you go right about here. These 3 will be our main pieces, and then we have that extra, then we have this extra one that we can do this season. We'll cook it anyway, but I'm more worried about these 3. Trim that off. Feel for any bones too. You don't want any pin bones. Now we'll season this with Malcom's King Craw Cajun seasoning. It goes really good on seafood, really good on salmon. You put a decent amount on there. Get that nice pat in. And what we'll do is we'll let these sit, get the Weber fired up, and let them tack up, do the sides. So what I like to do is I take the tumbleweed, and we're going to be using the Weber baskets, because we're just going to need the middle. Put our grill grates over that. So we like this. Once that gets going, we're going to use some Jealous Devil charcoal. We'll let this go for 30 minutes. Once these are all lashed over, we'll spread it out so it gets even heat. So once I got the grill grates in there, the way they want you to clean these, you take an onion in half and you wipe them down. Something with the enzymes and the onion help clean the grill grates, coats them. Now right before I put the salmon on, I'll take some avocado oil and that onion. Just brush that on there. Just make sure it's non-stick. We'll let those go for a couple minutes. After a minute, we'll rotate them. They sell a tool that comes with the grates for rotating these, but I can't find mine. So this is how we're going to do it. Let these go for another minute or so. And it's been another minute, so we will flip these over now. Look at that. Now we'll let these go for probably another minute or 2, and we'll check the temperature. I like to pull them off around 125. That way they climb to about 135, and that should be good. These are ready. Squeeze some fresh lemon juice over the top. And we'll pull these off and let them rest for a couple minutes. Now we can try it. Nice and flaky. Look at that. That's good. I'm not a fish person. I don't eat fish. But salmon with that king craw on it, that's the way to go. So good. It only takes a couple minutes to cook too, it's not bad. The grill grates make it so much easier because it prevents all the flare-ups and everything like that. Makes some nice looking marks on there. So good. So that's our video. If you like this video, please watch our past videos. We've got more videos coming out every week. This goes together really fast. It tastes awesome. It's amazing. I'll have an affiliate link in the description, and you'll be able to support my channel and buy some amazing seasonings. Malcom's King Craw, Cajun seasoning, excellent on some fish. All right, see ya. It's game time. Can't forget about our fourth one.